That's what I'm talking about.
Today's video starts off in Montgomery, Texas. This ride's called Christmas Gifts because it took place just 2 days after Christmas. You can see how we took over basically the whole trailhead, and 2 groups have already left by this point. The groups were generally about 10 riders each.
How was it?
It's fun. Sandy, very sandy.
Yeah, that trail's nuts.
You can see here that some of these Forest Service roads are in really bad shape. Hurricane Beryl and the derecho that preceded it really did a number on a lot of these roads. And to the Forest Service credit, they have fixed a lot of the problems on these roads, but some still remain. But they leave these really cool sand patches. That was a challenging one for me on the Africa Twin. I've never ridden deep sand on that bike yet. You can see here that I'm really enjoying the upgraded suspension on my Africa Twin. I had the bike resprung for my weight, and it stiffened the bike up quite a bit, but it had the unforeseen side effect of it making the bike really nice and handle very well off-road.
We missed a turn, guys. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Yes, we missed the turn.
The group missed a turn. They were so in the flow of it. I ended up calling the group lead, and we're going to meet them at the end of this road where Alex just went, and that was a sick jump.
Oh shit, that was an awesome jump. Someone's tool bag all across the...
Little did I know at that point, Lawrence's tools had all strewn out of his tail bag all over the trail.
Dude, that was you? See it over there? I'm gonna put my glasses on. This is really... These goggles are fogging up so bad.
Since Lawrence and I took so long picking up his tools, the rest of the group had gone on to lunch. We're going to catch up with them here in a bit. Sorry for the extended showing of this road, but you can see we rode it from end to end and it is bombed out and depleted. It's a good thing it's getting rehabbed. Hopefully we get to ride it again soon. You'll hear me get a little excited on here. At one point I have my front wheel up on the side of a berm and my back wheel down in a ditch, and I'm riding the bike kind of crab walking across. That's a new sensation for me.
Oh wow!